Nvidia announced a partnership with Accenture to use the firm's consultants to help clients adopt their technology. We turn to Deirdre Bosa now for more details in today's Tech Check. This is a big deal as well, Deirdre.
Yeah, and you know what? These stories are very much related because you're seeing lots of spending to build the tools and develop ever more advanced models. That's what this OpenAI round was about. But it's taking longer than expected to materialize into actual growth and margin improvement at the companies buying these tools. So that's what this partnership aims to fix here. And partnering with Accenture to encourage the adoption of AI tools, Jensen Huang is making sure that the billions and billions of dollars the mega caps are spending will translate into hard revenue, ideally justifying a cycle of spending from the hyperscalers and earnings from their customers while keeping Nvidia relevant every step of the way. Now, Nvidia has cornered the hardware AI market with GPUs. It's moved into software with CUDA. Now it's making a bigger play for distribution and enablement. Accenture's army of consultants, after training with Nvidia, it will go to customers across retail, healthcare, manufacturing, financial services, etc., and help to implement those tools and services into everyday operations. Now, in some cases, that could mean that they subscribe to a co-pilot or agent force. In other cases, that could mean building a custom model with an OpenAI internally. Still unclear, though, how soon enterprises are going to see results. There was a very similar partnership that NVIDIA announced with Infosys 1 year ago. That one was 50,000 employees to be trained on AI solutions. Even the wording from that deal was nearly identical. It aimed to, quote, help enterprises worldwide drive productivity gains with generative AI. 1 year on, investors are still looking for those gains. Now, NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang and Accenture CEO Julie Sweet, they will be on closing bell overtime later today. Make sure you don't miss that one. Kelly, with OpenAI raising billions more at ever higher valuations, that continues to beg the question, when are we going to see killer use cases that move the needle on productivity or sales of new AI-enabled products like the iPhone? Are we going to get that super cycle? It's all connected and raising the stakes here. But, you know, certainly the VC community here, they just want to make sure that they've got a bet on what they think might be the winner.
Oh, sure. I mean, that's their job. It's interesting in Accenture's case how so many people have pointed out the consultants could be one of the bull industries to one of the booming areas that benefits from generative AI as companies try to figure out exactly what to do with it, what their competitors are doing with it, and if it justifies the cost. So I checked on Accenture shares, assuming they might be at an all-time high, Deirdre. To my surprise, they peaked in 2022. They actually were higher in Feb of 24 than they are now. And on the year, they're only up 1%.
Yeah, I think because a lot of this is still an open question, is this army of consultants going to be able to drive real productivity gains? I point back to that Infosys deal a year ago. We haven't seen a lot of follow through at the bottom lines or even top line growth of the companies in which they serve. It also raises kind of an interesting question. I mean, these consulting companies, the net impact of generative AI has been flat or decreasing their workforces. This is making use of 30,000 existing employees and kind of using them in a different way, getting them trained with help of NVIDIA on these AI tools and AI consulting. But I mean, Kelly, look at an IBM, right? They've been largely consultant-based. That stock hasn't gone anywhere. Right. You know, it didn't go anywhere for a decade, and they're in the business of helping, you know, implement technology solutions at different companies.
Or including their own systems as well.